Welcome back to Teacher Base channel. Here is a sharp circle geometry problem that looks tricky at first glance. Let's break it down carefully and uncover the value of angle SRQ step by step. In the question, we were given that XP is equal to QP because they were marked with the same sign. So XP equal to QP. Also, we were given angle QPT, angle QPT to be 50 degrees. And the question says we should find angle SRQ, angle SRQ equal to unknown. Now the first thing we have to do is to carry out a little construction. Let us join S and Q with a straight line. Let us find angle PXQ using angle in alternate segment theorem. And in this diagram, our chord is QP, our target is PT that touches the circle at P. And the theorem says angle between a chord and a target is equal to the angle in alternate segment. That means our angle QPT is equal to angle PSQ. So angle PSQ equal to angle QPT. Angle PSQ equal to 50 degrees. Our angle QPT is 50 degrees. So this point is 50 degrees. Now, in the diagram, you will see that our line XP is equal to QP. It means that our triangle PXQ is isosceles triangle, and base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. So we can say angle PQS is equal to angle PSQ. Angle PQS equal to 50 degrees because our angle PXQ is 50 degrees. So here is 50 degrees. Now let us find angle XPQ. And we know that sum of interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So our angle PXQ plus angle PQX plus angle XPQ equal to 180 degrees. Angle XPQ plus angle PXQ plus angle PQS equal to 180 degrees. Now our angle PXQ and PQS is 50 degrees each. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle XPQ plus 50 degrees plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 50 degrees plus 50 degrees will give us 100 degrees. angle XPQ plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle XPQ equal to, if we transpose 100 degree to the right hand side, we are going to have 180 degree minus 100 degree. Angle XPQ equal to 80 degree. Let us find angle SRQ. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are equal to 180 degree. So our angle XPQ and angle XRQ is equal to 180 degree. Angle XRQ plus angle XPQ equal to 180 degree. Our angle XPQ is 80 degree. So let us substitute it into this equation. Angle XRQ plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle SRQ equal to, if we transpose 80 degree to the right hand side, we are going to have 180 degree minus 80 degree. Angle XRQ equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree will give us 100 degree. That means the correct option is A. And just like that, the hidden angle reveals itself. When you follow the relationship carefully, everything falls into place. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more geometry questions like this. Thank you.